The Sl2 error code is an indication of an overvoltage trip, which occurs when the protection circuit of the controller is active and prevents voltage from being transmitted to the motor. To address this issue, several possible causes must be considered. One common cause is a problem with the controller itself, which may be damaged due to continuous belt friction, leading to wear and tear. In such cases, inspecting the controller for signs of charring and burns is necessary, and if damage is found, it is best to have the controller replaced by a qualified technician. Another potential cause is a problem with the motor, which may be overheating, a condition that can be identified by a smoky smell. Charred connectors or charred power leads after running the treadmill for about 10 minutes. If the motor is overheating, unplugging the treadmill for 10 minutes and then restarting it may resolve the issue. Additionally, inspecting the brush compartment is crucial, as damaged or burned motor brushes should be replaced, and the brush holders must be checked to ensure the brushes are firmly in place, with any loosely attached brushes being secured. By taking these steps, the Sl2 error can be effectively addressed and resolved.